everyone. Today we're going to make a little crochet bud that you can see there, little buddy brooch. You'll need a size 3 hook, 2 needles threaded with white and black, a button, a little heart shaped piece of felt, some orange wool with a darning needle and some scissors. Let's get going, okay? First of all, you're going to start with making a magic loop. Now if you've never made one of these, I'll just take my time with it so that you can see, okay? Right, you're going to wrap the wool around your fingers, so wrap it around, just like that. Okay, you've got a loop there, and then you've got the wool there. So you're going to put your hook underneath, grab your wool, and bring it through, and then you're going to grab your wool again and make a little chain. That's just a chain 1. Okay, now I'm going to do some single crochets in the thing. So I'm going to go underneath the ring. Sorry, I've come off. You're going to go underneath the ring, grab your wool just as you would in a single crochet, and do your first single crochet. Just like that. So that's your first single crochet. Okay, I'm going to do 10 more of these now, okay, so I'm just going to get going. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Oh, I didn't go underneath the hook there. Now you're just going to pull that circle really carefully together. Okay, I'm just going to pull it, this bit here, it's getting pulled, the tail, it's just getting pulled together. Okay, now you're going to find that first stitch, which is here. You're going to go underneath it, and you're going to do 2 single crochets into that first stitch. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch you're going to do a single crochet in the next stitch along, and you're going to do a double crochet in the very same stitch. In the next single crochet stitch you're going to do a double, so remember to wrap first, through, and do your double. In the next stitch you're going to do another double, so wrap in the next stitch and do a double. Now in the next single crochet along you're going to do a triple, so remember you wrap 1, 2 times, go into the stitch, next stitch, wrap again, through, and then you'll be wrapped through 2 loops once, 2 loops twice, 2 loops 3 times. Now in this same single crochet that you just did a triple, you're going to do another triple. So wrap, wrap, through the same stitch, wrap, through. So you're 1, 2 and 3. Get through here. Through the next single crochet you want to do another triple, so you're going to do 1, 2, two, round and through. Only one this time, only one triple in that stitch. In your last single crochet, you're going to do what's called a double triple. So you're going to wrap round 1, 2, 3 times. You're going to come through it. 2, 2, 2, so it's 4 times we've come through. And that's you. Your little bud shape is made, so you're going to trim that yarn there. Just grab your scissors. And I like to get my darning needle at this point and just sew this in. So see this little end that you've got at the end of your bud? Just sew it in and then it's neat. What I do is I just neaten it off by coming through the stitches at the back. Now I'm going to sew my beak on. So what I'm doing is I'm just threading the orange yarn into the darning needle that I was just using. Right, so you're going to get your needle, you're going to come in here where it's the front of the head, and you're going to put your little beak on. I'm just going to make sure I secure that at the back as well, so that it doesn't come out, come loose. Trim that with my scissors. Now I'm going to get my white wing, my little heart-shaped wing. I'm going to sew it on here. So I'm just going to do a little tacking on stitch. Just cast on. I always like to cast on rather than using knots. I don't know, it's just probably old-fashioned. And then I'm going to come through here, my nice little wing. Just make sure it's nice and secure. And I'll turn that round onto the back and cast off. And I'll pick up my black thread this time, and I'll get the little button ready. So I'll just cast on again. Get my button. You could use a bead for the eye if you don't have little buttons. Quite often use beads as well. Just whatever you've got lying around, really. There we go. Sorry, there. Wee one caught up in the thread of it. So I'll just cast off on the back again so that it's nice and neat. And there we have a cute little bird.